Good day in home, I'm your host Will and Klavs. Welcome back to Mazda 6 DIY. Things you can do it yourself. Now this time we will change the air filter for the engine. So it's in the engine bay. So let's get the hood or the bonnet open. First things first, we need to get our bonnet open. So go to the driver's side. For me this is the driver's side. And the bonnet latch is here. So let's pull it. It's pulled. And let's go. Mazda sign. Sign the Mazda in the middle. Pull up. And to the right. Let me put up the stake, sorry, bonnet stake. Now the air filter is here, in this box. Now there are some things in the way, like you need to lift this box up so you can unplug this if it's in the way. If it's the same for you, you can just pull the tab here, see? Just pulls in there. Pull it upwards and away. This is fine. You can just do it like this. And this one, the mass airflow sensor, just push this tab down so it lifts up a little bit and wiggle it. There you go. Now how to get to it. Here is nothing. Here's nothing to pull. Other side, here's a tab. Here's a metal tab. There you go. If you can click, it's right. Here, it's absolutely nothing. It's just attached there. So you can just pull it up now. See, it's coming up. And that's the new air filter what I have. Let's see if there is another tab. Nope, there is no other tabs. Just this. So basically you can pull this up now. Oh, without the wire. Yeah, get this wire out too, so it's not in the way. You can pull it up. There you go. See, when you get it this high, you can easily take it and lift out the filter. As long as you don't squish it against anything else. There you go. This is a brand new filter, by the way. I changed my one, the old one, and I'll show you a picture how the old one looks like. So that's how you get it out and how you install it. You install the same way. You lift this up one and slide this one in. Basically you just slide it in. See? Just make sure the rubber around is good. Check all this rubber so it's not coming off, anything. There's a good seal. Now you can push this back and around and on you go. See? And then there is left only the tab for you. This metal tab that's here. Just push it up. Sorry. You won't really see it because it. Now you can get that metal tab and pull it up. Basically you need to push down and pull up the tab till it clicks. If you pull it from the bottom, this tab has a lip here. If you pull it from the bottom up, right here with your fingers, from the top upwards to it, it will latch, and see? It's not going anywhere. And then attach the wiring back. So here at the back, the mass airflow sensor, then route this back. I don't know what this cable is, I have no idea, and plug it back in from where you took it. And it should make a clicky sound. So that's it. That's how you can change an air filter for the engine. It's not that hard, it's not that difficult. It will take you 3 minutes. As I'm recording, it's 5 minutes for me, but for you it should take 3 minutes. It's nothing that difficult. So if you liked this video and this video is helpful, of course smash that like button, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!